Hi students, let's have a look at this problem. Find x. 2x plus 18 is less than 0. So how do we go about finding x? To find x means to solve this inequality. So how do we go about solving this inequality? Now, what does solving the inequality involve? The first step is we have to isolate the variable. That is our goal. And the method that we use to arrive at this goal or attain this goal is reverse PEMDAS. Now, what is this reverse PEMDAS method? It gives us the order in which the different mathematical operations have to be performed to successfully isolate the variable. So let's go ahead and use this method to isolate the variable. So we have the inequality 2x plus 18 is less than 0. Now, the first set of operations I am allowed to use are addition or subtraction, or both of them, depending upon what the situation demands. Now here I have scope for using the subtraction operation to isolate the variable. How? I can subtract minus 18 on the left hand side to get rid of the plus 18 that is already there. Now, if I do that, then I should also subtract 18 from the right hand side. Why is that so? I have to do it to ensure that the inequality holds true. Think of this as a balance. If you're subtracting 18 on the left-hand side, that means the left-hand side has become lighter and the um, right-hand side is heavier. So the right-hand side goes down and the left-hand side goes up. So to once again come back to the equilibrium position, I'll have to subtract 18 from the right-hand side. It's like adding and lifting weights on a balance to ensure that finally it comes to the equilibrium position. Okay. Now, what is the result of subtracting minus 18 from both sides? We get 2x is less than minus 18. Okay. So we have performed the subtraction operation. There was a scope for that, and we used the subtraction operation first to isolate 2x to one side of the inequality, and on the other side, you have minus 18. Now, is there anything else that we can do further? Now, we want the variable x. We want to find the value of x, not 2x. So we have to get rid of this 2. How do we do that? Now, the next set of operations that are allowed are multiplication and division. Can we use any one of them to further isolate the variable x? Yes, I can use the division operation to get rid of the 2. And if I divide the left-hand side by 2, I should divide the right-hand side also by 2. Once again to balance the inequality. So if I divide the left-hand side by 2, I will be able to get rid of the 2 in front of x and I'll get x. And when I divide the right-hand side by 2, I will get minus 9. So I have x is less than minus 9 and this is the value of x, and we have found the value of x by using the reverse PEMDAS method. It is x is less than minus 9. I hope this is clear to you now. Thank you very much.